Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be doing fine inside your homes. It is still pandemic that is creating pressure, mounting pressure. Its scare, its fear is still alive in the minds of the people. No doubt, 50% activities are on, but the major sector, that is the educational sector, is meeting the highest amount of loss because educational institutions are set and you have to rely on these virtual classes till the normal schooling begins. There are students without use of whiteboard were dealing with class 10th, 12th, subject English. And yesterday, a few students called me to make us learn present continuous tense. It's also called present progressive, and how we can construct a present continuous tense, and how it is negative and internegative sentence can be formed out of the same tense, and how it is passive can be done. Dear students, it's a very easy tense. Structure for it is am, or, is plus ing form of the verb. Is, am, or plus ing form of the verb. I'm creating an example. By examples, you will get it. Am plus ing form of verb, is plus ing form of the verb, and are plus ing form of verb. For example, I am playing cricket. Present continuous, present progressive, we may say. He is playing cricket. They are playing cricket. With I, am is added plus ing form of the verb. With singular, he, she, one singular name, is added and ing form of the verb. With plurals, you find are plus ing form of the verb. So I am playing cricket, he is playing cricket, they are playing cricket, we are playing cricket, boys are playing cricket, Rashid is playing chess, or the examples of present continuous. Present continuous means action that is going at the moment. That is going at the moment. You, if you go to school daily, you can't say I'm going to school daily. I go to school daily because present continuous is a non-permanent action. Non-permanent action, and permanent actions are said in present simple. For example, permanent action is I go to school daily. I go to school daily. I am teaching mathematics. This non-permanent action. It is going at the moment. So present continuous tense is a tense or action is going at the moment, and it's a non-permanent action. For example, I am resident of Kokrusa. I am permanent resident of the Kokrusa, so I can mention I live at Kokrusa. If I migrate to Jammu for 4 months to save myself from severe or bitter cold, I can say I am living at Jammu or I am living in Jammu because it's a non-permanent action. Permanent action is what? I live at Kukrusa and I am migrating to Jammu for few months to save myself from a bitter cold. So it is a non-permanent action. I can say I am living at the Jammu or in Jammu. So remember, structure am, is, are plus ing form of the verb. For example, I am hitting a ball. He is hitting a ball. They are hitting a ball. Simple. Well, it is the action that is going at the moment. Now, he is hitting a ball. How we can make it is interrogative? Or first of all, it's negative. He is hitting a ball. Simple, he is not hitting a ball. He is not hitting a ball. It's negative. He is hitting a ball. How we can make it is interrogative. Interrogatives are those sentences in which questions are asked. Just is there? Is he playing? Is he hitting ball? Take another example. You are playing cricket. You are playing cricket. You aren't playing. You are not playing cricket. Is it negative? Are you playing cricket? Is it interrogative? Interrogative is simple in which questions are asked, and not in negative. You will find the denial. You are denying the things. No doubt it's a declarative. You are denying the things, and you find not in it. Now passive is important. It is passive and active. First, I am playing cricket. I am playing cricket. So it is declarative sentence. No doubt is a present continuous tense, but I am declaring some things. In a positive manner, I am declaring some things. I am playing cricket. I am playing cricket. There is verb, there is object, and there is subject. There is verb, there is object, and there is subject. I am playing cricket. Active sentence is a sentence which is dominated by the subject of the verb, or we can say it is governed by the subject of the verb. Where the passive is the sentence where the subject is acted upon. So I am playing cricket is so simple. A cricket is object, a cricket is being played by me to show the continuity or with continuousness or progressiveness, we can say being is added. For example, he is playing chess. It is what? It is declarative. So he is declaring, but the tense is what? Present continuous. He is playing chess. Subject is there, object is there, verb is there. In active sentence, what? The subject dominates the verb, or the subject governs the verb. In passive, the subject it is acted upon. No doubt voice gets changed, but meaning never gets changed. So he is playing chess. It's so simple. Chess is being played by him. Chess is being played by him. It's passive. Take another example. They are killing a bird. They are killing a first they plus are plus ing form of verb. It is present continuous. But they are killing a bird. So verb is there, subject is there, and object is there. But the tense is what? Present continuous. So a bird is being killed by them. A bird is being killed by them. Showing progressive or continuity, we use word being. So this is how we can make interrogative, negative, and passive of present continuous tense. Dear students, now it is about 7 5 minutes video. Uh, I can't upload it well in the time on different social media sites for you because we are resting on 2G. After watching this video, if any sort of confusion strikes your mind, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me. And when you post your query by WhatsApping or calling within short duration of time, your confusion or query shall be answered. But before leaving class, I am advising you do remain inside your home, stick to the books so that you can crack the coming examination with a difference and your future will be bright and flourishing. Be balanced.